we discuss about the animal cell. Now we will discuss about the organelles that is present. What is basically the function of that? Firstly, we will describe what is basically the cell membrane. In the diagram, you can see the membrane, the outermost boundary, that is basically the cell membrane of animal cell. So what is the function of that? That is, you can say, the selectively permeable, and that is made up of layer of proteins and fat. Selectively permeable mean that it do not allow every material to pass through them. It is very much selective, like it will allow some of the material to pass through them. You can say that is basically the barrier, or that is basically the checkpoint. Fine, after that, what is, you can say, the advantage of that? That is basically it will protect the cell from the surrounding, do not allow the toxic material to enter inside the cell. As the cell membrane is selectively permeable, so what is happening, what is the advantage of that? It will protect the cell from the surrounding, that do not allow the toxic material to enter inside that. So what you see here, that is the cell membrane, and inside that cell membrane the matrix is present. In the previous, when we discuss about the structure, what we called that matrix, we called it as cytoplasm. Fine. What is the cytoplasm? That is the jelly like material which contain the cell organelles, that is enclosed inside the cell membrane. Very much easy, like that is the matrix. Fine. What is happening inside that matrix? The different organelles like vacuole is there, mitochondria is there, different organelles are suspended inside that. And what is that? It is enclosed by cell membrane, like the cytoplasm is present, which is enclosed by cell membrane. After that, the center part, that is the nucleus. What is written by the nucleus? That is the brain of the cell. Center part, which is the brain of the cell, it controls the whole activity of the cell. It contains the, you can say, the round dense like structure which is called as the nucleolus. What is basically the function of the nucleolus? That help in making up the proteins. We will discuss this further more, that what is happening in the nucleolus, that how it make the protein. After that, it contain, what nucleus contain? Nucleus contain the DNA and the other genetic material. After that, the membrane of the nucleus